Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Sol and I'm a mechanic here at Utah Trikes. Today I'm going to show you how to install a dropout conversion on your through axle style Catrike models. This will convert the trike from Catrike's through axle design to a standard quick release. Let's get started. The materials included are the left and right sides of the dropout conversion, a spacer, a fender spacer, 20 millimeters wide, Catrike derailleur hanger with hardware included, two 10 by 25 millimeter button heads, one 10 by 20 standard head, and one 8 by 25 millimeter button head. The tools that you need today are a multi-tool and an 8 millimeter Allen key. To start, you will need to remove your wheel. If you need help with this step, check out the video linked above. Once your wheel is removed, you will need to remove the other half of the through axle using an 8 millimeter Allen key. This is also the old derailleur hanger. Then, move the other half of the axle, separate the hanger from the derailleur, and set the derailleur out of the way. Be sure to remove all accessories off of the frame, including a fender or rack if you have one. The dropouts will move everything further from the main frame and change the mounting position of the accessories. Now that everything is removed, we can add our dropout plates. The dropout plates are cut in a way that allows them to only fit a specific way. It may take a bit of adjustment, but the plates should fit snugly. We will start with the left side of the trike and slide the dropout onto the frame. Be sure to push it on to make sure it is fully secure. If it doesn't go on smoothly, first make sure it is the correct plate. Then give it a couple taps with a mallet, as sometimes the paint can get thick in some areas and cause a little resistance. Next, we will take our 10 by 25 millimeter button head and screw it through the hole on the inside of the frame. It will thread into the mounting plate. We will repeat these steps for the right side. On the left side of your frame, screw the standard head bolt onto the slot where the old through axle used to go. On the opposite side, we will place a spacer which will fit into the hole. The 8 millimeter button head will go on this side, screwing through the spacer. Next, we will tighten everything down. Next, we will add the Catrike derailleur hanger, which will fit right into the cutout on the plate. The hardware for the hanger will have one side for an Allen key hex, while the other side will have a notch for a flathead screwdriver. To install it, we will put the notched part on the inside and the Allen key side on the outside. You will have to hold the inside while you tighten the outside so that it can be easily threaded in. Now we have a place for our derailleur to be mounted. You will need to take out some of the slack on the shifter line to accommodate for the extra length of the dropout. There is usually a fair bit of extra slack from the factory. You may use the same holes to mount your rack. However, there is also an additional hole for your rack, one on each plate, so you can mount your fender and rack further back to account for the extra length. The 20 millimeter spacer will go where your fender mount is to extend your fender back further, so it will not rub against the wheel. While the dropout kits are mainly meant for converting to the rear wheel quick release style, they also can be used to mount a rear parking brake. To do this, you will need to acquire a wheel hub with a rotor mount, a caliper, a brake cable, and a parking brake lever. Once everything is installed, you can now swap out your wheel with a generic quick release style wheel, and then you're finished. I hope this video has helped you learn how to install a dropout conversion onto your own Catrike. All of the tools and materials can be found on our website or in the links down below. If you have any questions, contact us anytime and we will get back to you as soon as we can. In the meantime, relax, spin fast, and ride trikes.
Woo! Yeah.
Tennis. Okay. Tennis would blow. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You just have to sit there, watch Jared struggle. Did you speed it up? Did you watch him struggle?
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
We got some bloopers of that.
Okay. There goes one.
Take this with you.
I'd be happy at 6'3".
Oh, is that mine?
Yeah. Wait, how tall are you, Chris?
6'4".
Really?
6'5" on a good day.
You know, when I'm really feeling myself, people tell me I look 6'3". On other days, they tell me I look 6'4". Or no, sorry. 5'8".
5'8".
Yeah.
What are you?
6.
That's your height, not your name.
Oh. Oh. You're funny, Chris. Got him.